already? क्या भाई बोलो कुछ.
No, sir.
Did you got that?
I didn't receive the mail, sir.
You have not received the mail?
No, sir.
I have sent.
Sir, even I have not received.
I have sent in your group mail ID last class. I have sent that link also. No one has received that. Can you just check your group mail ID now? Group mail ID. Just a minute. I also let me see.
Sir, we have not got any mail on the group mail ID.
Okay, let me check. Let me just. Can any one of you please open your group mail ID? I will just.
So I have opened it.
You have opened it? Just a minute. Just a minute. I may have done some mistake, but I have sent that date itself. I will later, rather, I will. Can you see my desktop?
Yes, sir.
Then what to do? Share, na? Share. बोलो तो तुम्हारा क्या है?
Architecture 2017.
ARCHITECTURE 2017 dash or underscore dash
2022 at googlegroups.com.
Google Group
Groups s.com.
Yeah. I'm sending. And there is the installation. In that there are two folders. One tutorial. You don't have to see now. Installation. There is some text.
Yes, sir, received.
If you have received, can you just take some time to install it? It will not take much time. Students, you have received. Aman received. Anybody? Everybody has received.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Received, sir.
Yeah, it will not take much time. You have to take some help from this. Let me check. Software में जाऊँ, इसमें जाऊँ. Installation में there is a MS Project installation करके एक Word फाइल भी है. उसको खोल लो. मैं खोलता हूँ. या इसमें कुछ नहीं है. Click the setup and give the serial number जो है वो दे दो. It will take 5 minutes. Please do it and then we'll start. We'll start definitely with some lecture and then go back to this thing. मैं 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लेता हूँ. तुम लोग थोड़ा कर लो इसको. Right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
No issue. I mean, if some people may have some problem also, so you can do afterwards. I mean, try now. If you have some problem, you can do afterwards maybe. But today we'll just start, just beginning, just छोटा सा start. जिस जिसका हो गया हाथ उठाओ। Raise your hand if you have done. What happened?
Sir, done.
Aman is done. Arushi, Abhishek, ईशान, अमित, कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है क्यों? रचना,
So my network is a bit slower, like I'm not able to download the files.
oh, okay. So ठीक है, चलो. There are some issues, so let us start. You start, I mean, download कर लो. At the end देखते हैं. Let us start the lecture today. Okay, lecture करते करते अगर हो जाएगा तो हो जाने दो. So let's start my lecture. So I'll presenting the screen. So can you see my PPT screen? Hello, can you see my PPT screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you remember in the last class, we using the bar chart, I told you there are a lot of attributes can be given. So we put some of the resource attribute in the bar chart and we created the histogram. And even you remember that we can have two type of histogram or two type of, I mean, two extreme possibilities we made. One is called LST schedule and one is called FST, LFT schedule. That is the EST schedule and the LST schedule. EST is the early start time schedule and the LST is the late start time schedule. So there may be many possibilities just to pushing the activities which enjoy a float because it is non-critical. So we can have different type of the histogram possible for the different activities. So that is called the resource allocation. We just allocate the resource. You just initially what we do is that we did suppose some kind of the manpower or maybe the cost or something like that, and then we allocate each head, and then each day or each phase we find out that what is the total number of cost or the resources coming. So suppose now we have a kind of a very small project like this where the A, B and C are the initial activities of 1 day, 6 day and 2 days ABC, because this doesn't have any predecessor. Predecessor means any activity is before that. No, there is no activity before A, there is no activity before B and C. So they are the initial activity. But activity D, which is 2 days, is having a predecessor A. So A has to complete. So A required 1 day. So A has to complete. So A has to complete first. And then only that D will start for, I think it is 2 days. Yeah, D will start. So A is the predecessor of D. Similarly, the predecessor, C is the predecessor of E. So C is taking 2 days, something like this, and then E again start after D, after C. Sorry. So predecessor actually, if you say in our language, it will be mean that finish to start 0 day or only finish to start. Right, predecessor be finished to start 0 day. That kind of the relationship. And B is single-handed. B is alone. B is just long activity, of course, 6 day, like this. So it is the early start time kind of a scenario. And the manpower is 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, something like that. There is suppose very skilled manpower you require for A, B, C, and D. So for that, this is the manpower requirement. So let us first develop the bar chart. The resource allocation. What is the resource allocation? As I told, just we did in the earlier classes. As per the activity duration and the relationship, the bar chart can be obtained for a project. Yes, we can already done. All non-critical activity can be kept as early start time. Yes, that is done. That manpower requirement of each activity is assigned. Yes, we can do that. Finally, the total requirement of the manpower resources of each unit time, that is day or week or whatever, is tabulated. We did in the last class. So this process of manpower resource allotment per unit time duration of a project is called resource allocation. Fine. So we did last time. So we did this. So these green bars are your activity bar, and the red dotted bar are the float bar. That is the float you have. So you see the B is taking 6 days time, and within bracket I have written the number of manpower required. A required 3 manpower, D required 1 manpower, D will be just after A, E will be just after C, C and E both are 1 manpower and 2 days each. The B is the longest, so the total project completion time is 6 days. B is the critical activity. B cannot be delayed by even a day, because then my project will be end up in 7th day. But yes, the group of A and D will enjoy 1, 2, 3 days of float. Okay, the group of A and D, you may push both by 3 days, or you may retain A over there and push D by 3 days, no problem. Similarly, C and E is also enjoying 2 days float, dotted line of the red dotted line, and you can actually push both, or maybe 1 day C, 1 day E, like that also, or maybe 2 days of. Now this, if you calculate, the first day you require 6 manpower, because A required 3, B required 2, 6 that is 5, and C required 1, 6. So like that, 6, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. This is the manpower requirement. So even activity A required 3, the highest, but in the very beginning, the very first day, you required 6 manpower, whereas in the last day you required 2 manpower. So this is called the resource allocation. I just did the resource, allocate the resource. So I have this resource allocation table, or the histogram, where the first day it is 6, second and third day it is 4, and fourth day it is 3, and then fifth and sixth day it is 2 manpower is required. Next, what I do? I will do some smoothing, because this is bothering me. This is very, very bothering me, that I require 6 manpower, and the highest, that one highest requirement, and the lowest requirement is 2. So the range is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So I want to reduce the range. I want to smoothen it. I will do some using some float of the activities. I push some activities little forward and try to have some kind of uniformity. I will try to reduce 6 by 5. The first day requirement 6 manpower, maybe by 5, or maybe try to make it 4. And similarly, maybe 5th and 6th day I will make it try to make it 3 or 4, something like that. So my target will be something smoothing. I don't know that it will not be uniform, but at least some smoothing can be there. Then I can effectively use my manpower. Because in this case, if I have hired manpower, so I have 6 manpower I have to hire. But if I have already those manpower in my gang, so I have to, some people will be sitting ideal in the 4th day, 5th day, 6th day, because I need only 2, or they do not have, other 4 will not have any job. I mean, they have to pay them the rent or whatever, the salary or something like that. So I want to make little bit of uniformity. I know I cannot make totally uniform. So that process is called smoothing process, the resource smoothing. So allocation is done just like a blind guy. You just put everything with the early start time, and whatever you got is the allocation. Now smoothing, after seeing the table, you are going to smoothen it. So in the resource allocation process yields a resource requirement histogram having very high resource requirement in early and middle part of the project. Yes, and early and middle part of the project is very high, and then the lower part it is little less. So you need to make some kind of the comparatively the systematic or the smoothing kind of a thing. So to convert the resource requirement nearly uniform, this is not exactly uniform, nearly uniform. Uniform is not sometimes always possible. It may possible. It may possible, then it's fine. But every time it is not going to be possible. Nearly uniform distribution over the span of the project duration, the float of all non-critical activities are adjusted. It will be adjusted. Okay. So we will adjust the non-critical activities and all, and with a minimum possible level, and then the float of all the float for all or some selected non-critical activities are so adjusted. A normal duration of the project remain unchanged. So my normal project duration is 6 days. I don't want to change that one. I don't want to make it 7 days, 8 days. No, I want to have complete my project within the stipulated time in the allocation initial time, the 6 days, but with the non-critical activity float changes some kind of position of the non-critical activity. It may not start in the very beginning. I may push a bit and then make a kind of thing. So that way I will do some kind of the adjustment. So what I did here is, you see, A and D remain same. B will not going to change, because if the B is shifted, your whole project will be shifted by 1 day. It is critical. So I can only touch AD or CE. So here what I did, I push CD, this group, by 1 day. So there is the 1 day initially there is no work, and then 4 days of work of C and E, and then there is a 1 day float. So now you see the histogram is now 544332. So there is an increment of 3 from 2. So there is a decrease of 1 day over here, and there is an increment of 1 day over here. So I mean, there is a certain amount of changes we see. Yes, I may be happy with that, because I may not. If I just go back, if I again push, maybe I will get something like this only. This only, maybe 1 day push may give you a bit of relaxation or something, maybe 3, so something like that. Again 4 day, 4 will be definitely going to come. I cannot get rid of 5, because A and B will be there definitely. B is the critical. A will be somewhere in the front, middle, whatever. The A and B, when these two are executed, you require 5 manpower. So you cannot have less than 5. You may have some different alternative, but less than 5 तो नहीं चलेगा. समझ गया मैंने यहाँ से. So this is the resource smoothing. Still, I am now happy that at least 6 manpower I am not required, and there is a kind of uniformity. Last 5th day it is little bit high. Now it is resource leveling. Leveling means ekdam pura, everything will be leveled. All day same amount of resource. Sometimes it's happened that you do not have more than 4 manpower. कैसे करोगे काम पहला दिन? If you require 5 very skilled manpower in the very first day, but if you have 4 manpower in your hand, how you will do? You cannot do, right? So क्या करेंगे बोलो? What is the situation? What you will do? Can you tell me the solution? I have 3 manpower, suppose. 3 welders. This is the welding activity involving welding. And this is the welder required for the activity A, B, C, D, E. But I have 3 welder. मैं अभी किसी को नहीं बोल सकते तुम आके welding करो. Welding is a typical job. They training वो ले लिया है ITI and all. I cannot tell that the people that you come and join us for welding today. So I have 3 manpower. क्या करोगे? What is the solution? Can you tell me what is the solution? I require leveled every day 3. Or at least 3 or 2, not more than 3. Any solution do you have? Hello. Students.
Yes, sir.
बताओ solution. This is a real life scenario. तुमका पास ये है and you have 3 welder. क्या करोगे तुम बोलो मुझे? बोलो, there are many, there may be many such situations, many such solutions.
So our project time might increase.
Project
Time might increase if we try to live.
Project time might increase. Yes, who are you?
So Pranjali.
प्रांजलि क्या बोलो, मैंने सुना नहीं ठीक ठाक से.
So project time might increase if we try to get 3 every day.
Project time decrease करोगे तुम?
Increase.
Yes. That may be a possibility. Yes, that is the one of the possibility. I cannot do it in 6 days. I have 3 manpower, so definitely the first day I will have only a activity. कुछ नहीं करूँगा. B को एक दिन पीछे से शुरू कर दूँगा and the 7 day it will require. That is the only one option maybe. One option maybe. Only one नहीं, one option. Pranjali is right. Anybody has any other way to do in 6 days?
Sir, when we require like more work to be done, we can work for a larger amount of time.
Yes. Is it Mansi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mansi is also right. This is the only 2 options. One is Pranjali told I have to increase the duration. 6 दिन में मैं कैसे काम कर सकता हूँ इसमें? So push करो. And Mansi is telling that the day 5 requirement, 4 requirement वो है, हम उसको overtime देना पड़ेगा. Right? So those 3 people will have to do overtime. So till the evening they will do for the activity A and they will do for the activity B also for some 2-3 hours. So B को 2-3 hours करते करते वो कर दे and then the total B will be in overtime like that. Okay. So like that also. I mean, you have to increase the duration part. So anyway, you have to give extra money because 1 day extra, or maybe overtime is also money. I mean, because you have to give some extra money for the overtime. So this is the only way we can actually going to tackle. Or sometimes we can tackle, you may say, sir, I know that there is a welding machine, which if I can borrow, then they can do it very fast. And probably 3 welder is not required for A. It may be 2 se ho jayega. B is also required 1 welder for that if I have another machine. So if I borrow for those very sophisticated machine or something like that, so I can manage with some reduction of the manpower. Yes, that may be the third possibility. You involve some kind of machineries or something like that. Okay, so that is maybe another possibility. So that is also required money. So finally, it is this, all the solutions require some kind of the involvement of the extra amount of money. Very good. So these 2 are the real solutions. So I go back to the leveling. What I have written over here is that sometimes the manpower requirement and the supply equation turn out to be a complex nature. Yes. And the availability of manpower is less than the requirement, as I told, 5 and 3. In such cases, project duration has to be extended further. So I have only written the Pranjali's comment or whatever, but other things are also correct. You can go for the extra time or the overtime or maybe equipment change or whatever. So you have to extend the project by a minimum time. Not maybe अच्छा 3 दिन, मैंने 1 दिन से होगा तो ठीक है, 1 दिन ही बढ़ाओ, ऐसा नहीं 2-4 दिन ज्यादा बढ़ा दो. So minimum time to achieve the level profile, the resource of the resource requirement. So leveling of is the process to obtain equal resource requirement for the whole, and probably we require that one. So if I now see that I have told the A and D starts as it is, B push by 1 day, and C and E pushed by 3 days. So then now the it is 7 days. The schedule has been based on the float of non-critical activity. Delaying the critical activity by a minimum is essential now. Now you see you got all three. So the resource is leveling. So you have three such. The allocation is definitely has to be done. Sometimes you can go for smoothing, or if you are happy with the allocation, fine, no problem. If you are happy with the allocation, there are two types of allocation, or maybe there are the early start time and the early finish time allocation, or maybe in between something, or you can go for smoothing, or you can go for finally, if you do not have those manpower or something, you have to go for leveling. But here the duration is increased by 1 day. Okay. Now, this particular thing, what I did here, are of course, if I give some problem in the next exam, I have to do manually. So that's why I will give very simple problem, maybe 6, 7, maximum 8 activities. Okay, so because human brain also has to do that. And in case of your examination, definitely you will be a little bit tense. So definitely you have to be given some kind of the easy way, just to understand whether basic principle or not. Even if it is not the examination, suppose if you are doing it manually, you cannot handle like more than maybe 10, 15 kind of a thing. Within 10, 15 is too high to actually handle this kind of the level, the resource allocation to level resource leveling fundamentals. So you require some kind of computation technique by which mathematically you can see, you can get the best result, or if you are changing something, you can say that whether you are going in the right direction or not, or if you finally want to make some computer program for that, you need an algorithm. So what is the basis of this? How you will know that? Suppose here you change a step. So here you change a step. So whether this step is actually going to bring you a good amount of leveling or not, with respect to the earlier one. How you will do? See, this you can see from here and you can find out. But it is not so easy if you have a 10 or 15 activities. Okay, it will not be so easy. So one change, how you will say that this change is good, or it will going to give you smoothing. So for that, minimum moment algorithm is actually made in, I think it is made in 1970s, and further it was improvised in the 2002 or whatever. So suppose this is the manpower distribution, 5 and 1. Today, only 2 days. I mean, this is a simple example, 5 and 1. Range is 4, maxima, minima. This is little better, 4 and 2. The range is 2, 4 minus 2, and this is perfect. I may require 3 days, but I have 2, 2, 2. So total number of the manpower is equal. 5 and 1 is 6. 4 plus 2 is also 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is also 6. So smoothing is second one. Allocation is first one, 5 and 1. And the leveling is the last one, 2, 2, 2. You will require 1 day. So how to mathematically judge that I am going forward, going in a smoothing and the leveling? So here we have to go with the moment. Moment of the bar is the height of the bar into the height of the CG from the base. Okay. So this is the first case. The first case, if you calculate the moment of the bars, the first bar, the height of the bar is 5 and the CG of the bar is here. So this is 5 by 2. So multiply this 5 into 5 by 2, which is 12.5, 25 by 2. The second bar is 1 and this is the CG is here. So it is half. So it is 1 into half. So that means your 0.5. So your moment of the bars are 13. What happened here? Second case, it is 4 into 4 by 2, that is 8, and 2 into 2 by 2, that is 2. So this is 10. So see, the moment reduces. As and when moment reduces, you are going to have the smoothening. The same 5 and 1 is also 6, and this is 4 and 2 is also 6. Okay, so you have changes the thing. And the last case, what happened? There are 3 such similar bar, 2 into 2 by 2, that means 6. So it is 13 to 10, 10 to 6. So as and when this moment of the bars are reducing, you are going to have positive effect. So if you want to create an algorithm for a large project and you are just changing, suppose you first do the every allocation. After the allocation, you find out the what are the non-critical activity. Now suppose there are 15 non-critical activity and 7 critical activity. Critical activity bhul jao, because you cannot touch that. Non-critical activity number 1, you shift by 1 day. So everything shifted and you calculate what is the moment. If the moment is reduced, you feel that okay, now there's something smoothening. Moment is not reduced, moment is either stay same or increased. You say that no, ये change नहीं चाहिए, रख दो वहाँ पर, जहाँ था वहाँ रख दो. Then you change other activity by float, 1 day float, 2 day float. Like that, you just do permutation combination, and if you just make a kind of a do loop or something like that in your programming, that it will compute. If it will compute only if the moment of the earlier one is less, then only it will go further. Otherwise, it will not go. Something like that easily it can be done, and then the computer programming can be made. And this method is called the minimum moment method. The less the total moment of the bar, more the uniformity of the bar height. So mathematically, you can write like that. The moment of the resource I is half into xi square. Xi is the height of the bar, that is the number of manpower. Okay, it is x into x by 2. So xi into xi by 2. So half xi square. And the total moment of all the bars, suppose it has 100 days project. So this m equal to I1 to 100. So all the 100 days you have to calculate for this activities also. So, and this is the moment has to be calculated. So this was actually appeared in one of the paper. So I have that paper, I can upload that paper. Applied modified minimum moment method to multiple resource leveling also it can be done. Suppose you have not only one resource, you have multiple resources. So your brain can now stop thinking in that way. So you have to use some kind of a computational technique. And this, the second paper is also the same authors, the modified of minimum moment approach in resource leveling. So that is also there. So in our case, what happened in the earlier case, what we just now did, initial case in the allocation stage, I got the 42.2 as the moment. Okay, because it is the first day it is 6. 6 means it is half into 6 square, 36 by 2 bata 2, so 18. 4 square by 2, 16 bata 2, it is 8. 3 square by 2, 9 square, 9 by 2, 4.5. 2 square by 2, 2. So it is 42.5. Similarly, in second case, resource smoothing case, it has to be less because it is reduced down. It is 39.5. And in case of the third case, it is 31. Earlier one is 39, it was 31.5. Okay, so like that you can use that one technique, but in our case, we can do it in the computer. So is this problem can you solve? Or with this problem, let us solve. You can go through it. I will upload this one. I made it already. So now I stop my this. So allocation and smoothing lecture. If you have any doubt, tell me. I will upload this one today. You can do it and then check the result. I may be wrong. You please tell me if I am wrong also. So if you have any doubt regarding this allocations and all, please tell me. Okay, can I go ahead then? अरे कुछ तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Achha, I have uploaded one just now. Maybe before this lecture, I have uploaded one Excel file. Please download that Excel file. The Excel file, name of the Excel file is MSP_classwork_01A. मिला? टीम्स में दे दिया मैंने. दे दिया था. मिला? अभी जस्ट वो तुम इसमें देखो, पोस्ट में देखो. It is look
Yes,
like
sir.
this. Please open it. So this will be our start of our MS project learning with this Excel file. Today we'll do this Excel file handle, and if I have time, then we'll start the MS project. How many of you have installed already? Please raise your hand in the chat box or whatever. Raise your hand, please. Installed, not downloaded. I mean, Rachna, if you have problem, no issue. You can download tomorrow. You can do, no issue at all. Kaji has done, Aman, Abhishek, Khamaria, and Ishan, Siddharth, Sashank, Nilab done, Prince done, Mausam done. Good. Shaunak is also done. Roshan done. Rishabh sir is done. All boys are done. Girls are not done. Girls सो रहा था. All boys, good, good. Shaunak, Shubham also done. Girls, तुम लोग क्या कर रही हो? तुम लोग तो कुछ नहीं किया. तुम लोग इंस्टॉल नहीं किया. Jasbant also done. Arushi, Pranjali, Mansi.
It's not getting installed on my laptop.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Just तुम लोग अब तुम्हारा पीछे लग रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा. लेकिन ये really strange. सब गर्ल्स का लैपटॉप स्लो है. बॉयज लोगों का लैपटॉप बहुत फास्ट है. आदि, अमित, जौहर, नवीन, प्रवंजन.
Yes, sir.
It's installed.
Sir, first I saw, sir, it was not there, sir. Then I just had my papers and
Okay,
things.
okay, okay. Tejas, Supriyo, Shoham, Pravanjan done. Aram se karo, no issue. I mean, if you don't make it. So let us first move to the, even if we will do it tomorrow, no issue at all. I mean, no problem. Just open this Excel. Can you see my Excel? Students, can you see the Excel sheet?
Yes.
In my anyway, you can also open your this Excel sheet also, and just, so I have given a project, the phase 1 and phase 2. The phase 1 is having 4 such activities, A, B, C, D, and phase 2 is having another 4 activities PQRS. The duration in days are given, 10 days, 4 days, 12 days and 18 days. And also P activities are, the duration is given. The relationship is also given. The A is the initial activity, so nothing will be there. And B is F1 is actually the serial number, that is A. FS finish to start today, like that is there. So what you have to do, I mean, the project is will start from 4th October. 4th October is Monday. I have given the time schedule also in the bar chart also. The 4th October Monday, 4th October 2021 will start. Weekly 6 days of work. So Saturday will be a working day, and the Sunday is the holiday. So Sunday koi kaam nahi karenge. And there are a list of holidays also in the month of October. And those are true holidays, if you see. The 14th of October will be no work for Navaratri. 15th of October is no work for the Dasera. 19th of October is no work for the Milan un Nabi. And 4th of November will be no work for the Diwali. And 10th of November will be no work for the Chhat Puja. So those are real. I have day before yesterday I have checked this calendar and I have prepared that one. So those days are marked red in my table. Okay. Now what you do, you just put the please do the bar chart. So A is 10 days. So just like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just put some color, maybe green. 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and 10. 10 ऐसा put करो, and then right here the start date of A is 04 October and the end day is कितना 16 October. Like that you please fill. I have filled for, and for P and all, so second layer you use the some other color. Suppose मैंने blue use किया तो ये चारों के लिए blue करो, and for PQRS maybe you can use yellow or something like that. Please do it. And please fill this one. This has to be filled up. This has to be filled up. And we'll check with everybody. And in the meantime, किसी का install हो जाएगा तो please raise your hand. Hmm. Yes, is it done? Is it done? Aman, Kaji, Ranjali. Hmm. Oh. Mansi, is it done? Hello?
Sir, doing.
Doing. Kaji. Hello. Rachna.
Yes, sir, doing.
Doing. Kavana, there is no power over there. Okay, good. Chalo, okay, Kavana. किसका हो गया अब बोलो? Please raise your hand if you have done. Nilav has done. Good. Nilav, can you upload? Okay, just let be other also done do that. उसके बाद देखेंगे थोड़ा सा. Let us give some time to everyone. Oh. Pranjali done. Good. Nilav, Pranjali both have done. So I hope both of you have written down the start and finish date. Pranjali and Nilav. Okay. Both of you have written down the start and finish date in that box, in the table. Okay, good. So start date is okay. Let again wait for some few people to be joined with us. Any more has done? I think somebody has done also. Mosam done. Yes, good. Shashank, Naveen, Ishan, Prince, Amit Gupta कहाँ है? Amit Gupta? Amit Gupta, architect Amit Gupta. आर्किटेक्ट अमित गुप्ता ने साइट विजिट में निकल गया. शशांक done, good. मौसम done, yes. Kriti, both the Kriti. Pravanjan also done. Okay, let us wait for another few minutes to more people should come with the. Pranjali, can you show your, Pranjali or the Nilav, can you share your screen? Any one of you who can share, and rest everybody can check from her or Nilav. Nilav, can you share? Anyway, wait for another 2 minutes. Maybe Shubham is also done. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people has already done. Some people are doing it. I think Jashwant and Pins also, they have also done. I think they also raised their hand. So now Nilav or Pranjali, some one of you, who will show me? Who will show everybody? Nilav, can you show? Can you share your PPT, Excel? Hello, Nilav.
So 1 minute.
Yes, Nilav is showing his screen. I think if it is visible, I can see the screen, Nilav's screen. Please check your dates and can you, Nilav, can you just enlarge it a bit? The start and end date wala jagah. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's great. So please check, everybody who has done already, that check the end date and the start date and the end date of all the ABCD PQRs. So the project is ending on 30th of October probably. I have also done yesterday, I think hurriedly, I don't know whether I'm correct or not. Very hurriedly I've done yesterday. Let me also check my. Huh?
Game.
Yes.
Sir, I just want to ask, we are taking that the holidays, there is no working, right?
Yes, yes, no working.
Sir, then I think this is not right. Sir, can you check yours?
Yes, sir, because I think so. B will have it start on 20th October.
No, that would be
B will
first.
in 26, I think. Like I have done it, then it came D26. I started it. So can you please check?
Yes.
No, I have done, but that file is not with me. I think it is my at my home computer. Anyway, so Nilav, can you show? I mean that is of course there. Let us go to the activity B. Activity B, everybody got the 21st and 25th. How many days? 4 days. Fine. Yeah, here's
Sir, I think so it will be from 20th because sir 2 दिन का छुट्टी है तो it doesn't मतलब वो normal day छुट्टी हो कि holiday वाला छुट्टी हो उससे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ना.
No. वो उसको छोड़ो. I have told you, you just forget about the holiday wala. The Nilav is correct. He has given 2 days of holiday, 2 working days of holiday. It may require some working day also to do something, no? The gap between any activity is 2 days, means उसमें एक दिन फंस गया छुट्टी उसको छोड़ दो. That maybe you have to do something over there. So please don't consider the holidays as a the gap, isn't it?
No, sir. We will not consider holidays as a gap day.
So
yes, sir. We are getting 25th and 25th.
So activity B is correct, as Nilav shows. 21st it will start because it is 1 FS today. So uske baad 18 and the 20th is the gap, 2 days gap, and then the 21st the activity B will start and it will continue for 4 days. So 3 days and then there is a holiday, Sunday, and then the 25th. It is correct. What about C? C is 1 SS today. 1 SS today is ठीक है. So this is 6th of October is starting and it has how many days? 12. Oh my God, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 22nd of October. Fine. The D is there are
Sir,
two. Yes.
I had one doubt यहाँ पे. जैसे this is SS 2 days, right? So हमने with first activity. तो first वाली activity वाला दिन also will count या फिर we'll leave 2 days after जिस दिन A start हुआ है उस दिन.
SS today means क्या? फिर से बोलो मानसी.
सर मतलब A start हुआ है उसके बाद we should leave 2 days या फिर जिस दिन A start हुआ है वो वाला दिन भी count करना है.
देखो, the day 2 days of A, solid 2 day of A will be there and then the B can start or the activity can start. Solid 2 days.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think C is correct. D में देखो, D has 2 relation with first is 2SS, 2 मतलब हो गया मेरा B, SS start to start 6 day, B कहाँ गया? अच्छा start to start 6 day, start to start, अच्छा ये this may not be the correct one, माने start to start 6 day,
it should start from 28th.
अच्छा next relation क्या है? 3 FS 1 day, 3 मतलब मेरा C is yellow, finish to start 1 day, yes, so that will be the earlier, yeah, and it is how many days long? I mean, what is the duration? 8 day का, so that 8 day चलना चाहिए इसको, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 2 नवंबर, so 25 से 2 नवंबर दिखाओ
Sir, 28th to 6th November.
Start from 28th, right?
Yes, sir.
yeah, actually Nila,
Because it's USS plus.
this is you did a mistake, because the first relation has to be retained, because this second relation में तुम जल्दी start कर दो, तो out of the two relation, I mean you have to take the relation which is going to start your project late. Yeah, 28 to उसके बाद कितना 8 दिन ना कितना दिन है उसको जाओ
6th.
Yeah, 6 days, 1 2 3 4 5 8 days, sorry. So now उसमें लिख दो 28 to 6, okay, good. PQRS, 3SS 0 day, 3SS मतलब कोई 0 day, so 3SS 5 दिन चलो, 3 तो वही है ना C का, हाँ ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 दिन चलाओ, so this is from 6th October to 11th October, ठीक है, so those are already done, some color थोड़ा सा डार्क करो ना, ये डार्क नहीं हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा डार्क मारो, एक ही कलर मारो, ग्रीन कुछ मारो, हाँ ठीक है, गुड। अच्छा इसके बाद क्या है तुम्हारा Q3, ये भी 3 मतलब वो 3 मतलब ये येलो वाला 3 FS 4 day, finish to start 4 day, हाँ दिखाओ 1 2 3 4, यस, वो लंबा खींचा, लंबा कितना दिन, 15 दिन का है, हाँ थोड़ा सा ये करो, 3 3 6 8 10 13 14 15, राइट, गुड, सो दैट्स कितना दिन तक गया है, 16 नवंबर, 28 to 16, everybody is happy with that? Yes, say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ शशांक ठीक है ना, प्रांजलि,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. Now again two relation R का, for first relation is 4 मतलब कौन है, D के FF today, finish to finish today, D कौन सा वाला ये, yes, finish to finish today, दोनों का finish यहाँ होने से आगे चलो, अभी कितना दिन का है वो, finish to finish 7 day, वहां से 7 day आगे चलो, finish to finish, no, मिलाओ, finish to finish अगर है, you have to go आगे, I mean that is with the last day, हाँ you have to go like that, yes, backward pass. Okay, that is one option. Second option क्या बोल रहा है? It is 5. 5 means P. Finish to start 10 day. Finish to start 10 day. 1 2 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ठीक है, this is right. This one is, this is the late one, so this is right. Whatever you have drawn, that is right. So it will be now 1st November to yes, 9th November. The last one is S. 6. 6 is what? Q. SF today. SF मतलब start to finish today. Q. Q कहाँ गया? Q is this. Start और उसका finish today कहाँ गया? Start to finish today? No, ये तो start to finish 3 day हो गया. Start to finish today. And it has something long. So you count. So it is starting on 20th of October and finishing on kitna? 30th of 20th of October and 29th of October. Now I think it is clear. Girls, boys, students. नीलाव का चार्ट देख लो एक बार. Okay. नीलाव का चार्ट देख लो. I think we should be happy with that. I mean, the things has been done. So it's 29th of October is ending day, and 4th of November. 16th November is the ending day. Sorry, and 24th of October is the starting day of that. So it takes so much of time in our Excel and all. I mean, I have to compute, I have to check all those, but it is very easy in the MS project. So please now, finally, how many of you have installed? I will check that one. If it is still some people left, tomorrow I will start. Otherwise, how many of you? Some people has already done, I know, but Abdul, you have done. Abhishek done, I know. Amit, Kawana is having some problem. Yes, Abdul.
I installed, sir, but I don't know where the file is to open it.
बाकी किसका नहीं हुआ है? थोड़ा सा बोलो तो, मुंह से बोलो नहीं हुआ है. प्रांजलि हो गया? Boys, I think almost done.
Sir, it's not happening in this laptop. I have to open a different laptop.
Okay, ठीक है. चलो एक काम करते हैं. Should I start something? Maybe 15 minutes or something. Then this voice is my things is recording, so you can do it after the installation has been done today, right? And tomorrow definitely we'll do this. Okay. So you can you open it? Open the page. I can now share my screen. Can you see the screen? Students, can you see my MS project screen?
Yes,
Can you open the screen? I mean, can you open your screen also? Like this? Sorry. Have you opened?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first screen that will come to your MS Office. So you have to you may save it. So it is like an Excel sheet. So now you see, by default, it starts from today. See, it is Wednesday or something is written over here. Actually, it is showing from the August. So now it is some September. Today is some 13th of September. And you see in this particular date line, the first day, that is the Monday, was the 30th August was mentioned. And then again 6th September Monday was mentioned. The first day of the week, Monday is mentioned. But If you just put today is 20th of today is 13th of September. Now go to the next Tuesday. It will show 14th of September. 14/9/21. Wednesday it will be 15/9/21. Can you see? Okay. Students, please. अभी बोलना पड़ेगा नहीं तो I cannot move. You can say yes. You can just इसको on करके रखो. That.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, it will be very difficult for me to proceed. It is not lecture. So now you see this gray color SNS, that is the Saturday and Sunday are actually it is by default comes as a 5 days of week. So suppose now what Abdul is done. Okay, good. So suppose I will give some task name. Suppose I just give some task name. Suppose X, Y, Z. So automatically it will take from Monday. Today, देखो आज का 13 तारीख को start कर दिया because it knows that today is 13th. So now you can give duration. So maybe X is 5 days. So Y is suppose 8 days and Z is suppose 9 days. Suppose make it, suppose another one W. W is suppose again 3 days, suppose. So everything will start from today. So all are parallel. You have to give some relation, predecessor. So suppose X doesn't have anything, so X maybe it is the initial activity. Y you may give. So you have to see that the X is now serial number of X is 1. Y is 2. So I may say that 1 start today. Just put that. It will give start today. Piche dhakel diya. But you see, it is 8 days. Now you count 1, 2, 3. 2 दिन का छुट्टी, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has actually draw the bar through a 10 days bar because there are 2 days of holiday. If you just change the X by 6 day, you see what happened. It will go to the Monday. Right? Isn't it? Yes or no? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it will move by 1 day. So now give something. I'm just playing with it. Something, suppose 9 days hai Z ka. So Z is suppose FS, suppose 2. Finish to start. Don't write plus. Just tum kuch de do. Suppose 3 days, 3 din. So it will automatically take that 3 din. And you say 3 din is 3 working days. Not these 3 days. Actually, it is showing 5 days non-working. I mean, 2 non-working day and the working day karke chalta hai. And finally, suppose the W. W may have 2 such. One I may give 1 FF finish to finish today, comma. Another relation is 3 start to finish. Suppose 7 day. देखा जाए क्या होता है, कुछ हो गया. So out of these 2, it will take the best one. Okay, so like that it can give you the bar chart. The bar chart is there. So now you can see just what Nilav and we did. The start day and the finish day. Everything has mentioned. Suppose if you take the Z. Z is the start day of kitna din? Ye 30th of September. Yeah, 30th of September and the finish is 12 October. The 12 October. Yeah, 12 October. So now like that you can. But here we have to change something because we know that we have to change our calendar because I have 4 non-working day. Saturday is a working day. So please go to your project and let us see. The first of all, I have to see that my project should start from the 4th of October, not from today. So go to project and go to project information. Okay, go to project, pull down and project information. Here you just go to the start date and in the calendar, you go to the October and put 4th and okay. See, now you see the change. Did you saw the change? Go to the project information, change the start date. I have mentioned the project will start from Monday. Sorry, not Monday. I mean the October 4th. I can even give any such day, Maybe February 2022 because I am planning today. So February 2022. So चला गया देखो. February चला गया. अपना February में दिया हाँ February 20 the first February 1st को दे दिया. 2022 we can give. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Hey, बोलो सब मिलके बोलो एक बार.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Girls, देखो मतलब you may not do it, but at least you can see, you can write down maybe. It will very easy. It is not at all very complicated. But okay, first thing I did, see I have to do 3 things. If you see the Excel, एक तो मैंने ये कर लिया. The project will start from 4th October. That I have done. I make it red. I have done it. Okay. Now मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I have to make the weekly 6 days of work. Sunday is holiday only. तो Saturday को हवा करना पड़ेगा. And then ये नवरात्रि लगाना पड़ेगा. Because ये तो लगा नहीं है. This English calendar. So ये 3 चीज सीख के हम लोग खत्म करेंगे. तो I will now project information में मैंने project डाल दिया. The project will start from 4th of October. And the calendar is a standard calendar. We will check that one. And now we will go to the tools. Tools may change working time. Please see. In the pull down menu, change working time. In the tools. Girls, those who have not installed yet, please write down in a small notebook. Tools and change working time. Because I'm going to change my working time. Now in the working time, you see, it will be automatically give today's date. 13th of September is today. And you see it is giving us 8 hours as morning 8 o'clock to 12 and from 1 p.m. to 5. So it is 8 hours, बीच में 1 घंटा का lunch break है, ये default आता है. But here you see the Saturday and Sunday both are holiday दिखा रहा है. I have to change it. So now you have to go to, first you have to go to works. Okay, I'll do that and then I'll tell you the problem. Work weeks, click it and then go to details. So you'll get another window. Okay, I'll go again. There are exceptions. वो नहीं, उसके बाद वाला work weeks and go to the details. In this, you see, it is first one is clicked, which is the use project default times, but I don't want to make it default. I have Saturday. I will have to make Saturday working time. So what I do, I highlighted the Saturday because all other days are fine. I don't have to change the day. Even Sundays is also fine. Sunday is a holiday. I want to retain a Sunday as a holiday. Only I have to change the Saturday as a holiday to non-working day to a working day. So that's why I have clicked that one and make that as a set day of specific working hour. So from I will write because from 8 बजे से लेके this is वहां से देख देख के टाइप कर लो 12 and second one is 13 to 7 करके ओके करो. So now you see the Saturday is now white. White is for the working day. Okay. ठीक है. But now you make it okay. Okay, fine. Let us see what happened. Now you see it starts. Suppose now let us go to the and make it 4 day. So fine, ठीक है. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 दिन का हो गया. Make it 5 day. Then Friday तक चला गया till Friday. Make it 6 day. Then you Saturday भी काम करेगा. लेकिन when you put Saturday, I mean 6 day, that is when you touch the Saturday, it is actually exceeding and it is going to Monday. Okay. Did you observe? If I make it 5 day, it is fine. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I have now made Saturday as a working day, and it is clear. No shadow or some that gray color is not there. But if I make it 6 day, here bar Monday tak chala ja raha hai, isn't it? Can you tell me why?
Sir, in mine it is not going. Matlab.
Your it is arresting till Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but mine it is going. Suppose maybe someone's it is may going. If it is not going, fine. But it may go just like my case it is going. बाकी का क्या जा रहा है या whatever? Please tell me. I mean, for others, what is happening?
It's not going. It's considering Saturday's working.
Okay, actually, if you check, in case of, I will just go to the tools. What happened? Now you go to the details, sorry, options. If you go to the options, this window will open. Same, in the same box, in the change working time, I have changed already, but go to the options. In options, you see, actually, if you click Saturday, you see, in my case, it is 13 to 2. माने 1 बजे से 2 बजे तक half day दिखा रहा है. It is not. If you go to any other day, suppose today, it is 17 till 17, 8 hours work. But in this case, it is going to have only 4 hours of work. Saturday, it is showing like 4 hours of work. So I have to change that one also. Probably in your case, it is already changed. So now in this particular option, in the calendar starts from Monday, January, ठीक है. Default start time is 8 o'clock in the morning. Default end time is 17 hours. Work per day is 8 hours. Now, so if there is 8 hours working per day, 6 in 6 days में कितना work होगा? How many hours? 6 8s are 48, and it is showing 40, and you have to increase it by 48, and then make it okay. And if you then do and now make it 17, it will have to change to working hour weekly. Still it is not showing. Let me okay करता हूँ एक बार, फिर देखता हूँ. Just a minute. Tools.
I guess, sir, the start and the end time, the working times are set wrong for the Saturday. In your case, yeah, the work week details. So this would be 17. Yeah.
Okay. But still it is not taking. It is 48. Okay. Now still it is not taking. What happened? Oh. Just a minute. Again, let me type. 8 to 12, and this is 13 to 17. Okay, and this is set per day. Still, it is not taking. But I have changed it to the 18 hours, 48 hours, sorry.
So it's showing 20 days per month.
Sir, it will not change like that. Sir, click on cancel, then go to working sheets. Work week.
Then
go to Saturday and select the third option.
Yeah, that is I'm doing.
It should change.
13. It should change. I have checked 2 days back also. I mean, just doing something.
Okay. Then go on options and just check. So Saturday is now working.
Working, but it is showing 13 से 14. 1 घंटा का ये.
Set as default. Sir, click on set as default.
Those was.
Click on Saturday. Sir, you have typed 14 only. It should be 17.
That comes as a default actually.
Okay.
See, the other days are 17, but these days are 14. Anyway, I'll check that one once more. Anyway, but now the thing is that for the holidays, how you will do? Holidays, you have to go to the exceptions and name the holiday. The first one is Navaratri. नवरात्रि कितने कौन सा दिन का था? एक मिनट. नवरात्रि कौन सा था? कौन सा दिन? 14th of. So we have not fixed it up. 14th of October. 14th October को hit करो. 14th October is hit. करने के बाद you write down the. This is your exceptions. Yes. This is your Navaratri. Navaratri is 14th. Fourteenth. Okay. ये क्यों आ रहा है? 14th is Navaratri. Fourteenth is Navaratri. Then 15th is your Dashera. Then 19th is 19th, no? Aman. 19th, no? 19th is your Milano Nabi. 19th is your Milan. Milan, नदी, देन क्या है, कब है, 4th and 10th, 4th and 10th. 4th is your Diwali, and 10th is your okay. So then you will get those holidays also in between. Holidays also in between, and okay, I have to save it. Documents में save करता हूँ अभी, and then let me again go back to the project. Project information. Project information is fine. There is nothing to give any information over here. It is standard. Standard ही रखता हूँ. Tools. It is again change. That is fine. Still not working well, but it is 48 hours. इसको 4 day करता हूँ तो क्या होता है? Last try. Okay. Still it is not working. I will check. I'll check and tell you. So now you can do your this one, that one we have given to you. Okay, students, इसको करके देखो. ABCDPQR इसको. ठीक है, कल मिलेंगे फिर.
Thank you, sir.
Students,
Thank you, sir.
I have another class after this, so I have to now leave. So please try if you can resolve the issue of the Saturday wala thing. I have done it.